Want to learn how to make a simple summer chicken for four? Here's how. Start by mincing 4 cloves of garlic. Pick your favorite herbs. Today I'm using rosemary and basil. You can mince them or finely chop them. Next, you're going to add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Roll, slice, and juice 3 lemons. This is my mom's juicer. I use it every time I cook. It's probably about 80 years old right now, and we're still using it. Add 1½ teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together and let it sit for 5 minutes. Using whole boneless breasts, pound them to 3/4 of an inch thickness. Pour the marinade over the chicken. Make sure each piece of chicken is fully covered in the marinade. Cover and let sit in the fridge for 2 hours. Preheat the grill to 600, making sure your grates are clean. Grill on high for 10 minutes. Flip and baste and grill on low for 10 to 15 minutes. Plate and serve with your favorite salad. Learn how to make the chopped tomato salad that I have here in my next video. Perfect. Bon appetito and happy cooking.